Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss how to show battery percentage on Mac. Let's start the video. You can see on my screen, on top menu bar, you can see here a battery icon, but you cannot see here a battery percentage. What you have to do, just click on the battery icon. Here on the right side, you can see here the percentage of the battery is 82%. But if you can see it after clicking the battery icon. If you want to show a battery percentage on your menu bar, what you have to do, just open your system preferences. Now go on dock and menu bar section. Now scroll down. Now go on battery. Here you can see three options: show in menu bar, show in control center, show percentage. The last option is show percentage. Just check this box, show percentage. Now you can see here the percentage of the battery is on the menu bar section. This is the way to add battery percentage in your menu bar. I hope you find this video very useful. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.